Here we have a REHOME Cockatiel, approximately 3 years old. It's a male. Very talkative and whistles a bunch. Okay, maybe doesn't talk as much as he whistles, but definitely got a personality. Somewhat handleable. His name is Bandit, and he is a REHOME. The gentleman who had him for the last 3 years,
his girlfriend is allergic.
His girlfriend is allergic. So, needless to say, he was extremely upset about having to find a new home for his bird. They were extremely close. It's a great companion bird.
He was actually one of our babies.
He's in perfect feather. Absolutely gorgeous tail.
And
yes, and he does have a personality. Very full of himself. So Bandit is needing a home with someone that's a little calm around him and lets him strut his stuff.
he loves to ride on the shoulder.
There we go. Oh.
You better be quiet over there.
Yeah, he's not a big camera size.